that she's still in love. My level of anxiety is just a product of no news. She could telephone, tell a friend, tell a lie about where she's been. Send the pigeon, send the fax, write it on a post-it pad, send a signal up in smoke, tap it out in Morse code. I prefer a bad excuse. She